How many steps this is? 100
Count
steps.
them.
Oh, no, I didn't count from the beginning. Look at all those little hills. They're cute. Apparently in the summer they're like brown, so that's why they call it chocolate hills. I guess it's not summer. It's more like the monsoon just was over. You okay? So I'm at the summit. It's a climb. I'm a little out of breath, but I think this view is worth it. Look, all these little hills. It's they call it chocolate hills. Apparently there are hundreds of them here, but during the summer they're brown. They like little Hershey's. See? But it's just monsoon season was just over, so they kind of green color, so nice. I think this is the only place where you can in the world that has this. So after 51 kilometers actually, right? I think it was 51 kilometers from Tawala, Henan Tawala Resort to here. Is it worth it?
Yes, it's worth seeing.
There you go. But now we got another 51 miles to go back.
I'm on the moped and my
In the-
ass hurts already.
That's right, we did the motorcycle. But I enjoyed the ride. It was nice and cool.
Yeah, a lot of good scenery.
Yep, sure is. Compared to just riding in a car.
It looks like the Philippines is under construction everywhere. Nothing is complete. Everything's being built, and
Well, we're a developing country. I think we're going in the right direction.
yeah, they're developing.
Yeah. I'm very proud of my country. Really.
Your country is America.
Well, okay, my country's America, but this is my home country. I was from here before. I grew up here for 20 freaking 8 years before I moved to America.
Smartest thing she ever did.
Well, I guess I did in a way, yeah. Have a better life for my children. Other than that, it's kind of nice to come back here for vacation and maybe live here 3 or 4 months out of the year.
Good luck. Okay, we got 288 steps to go down.
Yep, 288 steps that way. Whoa. But going down might be not as hard as coming up. Coming up, I was out of breath. But here we go, loop-de-doo. So hopefully you enjoyed these videos and all the videos I will be making. If you do, please like, subscribe. East West Picayune. Give me a thumbs up. Click the notification down there. And Until then, look at my hair. Bye.